What is going down?
Yes, we are.
It's Daniel.
It's Tita.
And today we're doing Cafe Rio. Cafe Rio. Cafe Rio.
Yes, we are.
The new brisket, like a brisket taco.
It's like a brisket taco with veggies in it.
You know what I'm saying? I can see how it looks inside. It has the...
Let's give him another view. This is how it's advertised.
Yep. And as you see inside, they got the peppers, the onions, the briskets in there.
Yeah, pico de gallo.
Is that carrot I'm seeing? What is that?
I don't know.
I think it has like some type of carrot in there as well. We're gonna get right into this. I'm a fan of Cafe Rio. Now I want to know if their brisket tastes good. Their brisket. Oh, as you can see, let's try this out.
You see this piece?
I'm ready.
Who wouldn't love brisket?
Yeah.
If you're not a vegan, you have to love brisket.
I'm ready. I ain't waiting for you.
I already did it.
Got time.
Now, I wouldn't put everything on it. You know.
It's good. It's good.
But
there's a lot going on here.
it's too much going on.
It's
a thick flour tortilla shell.
You got all these peppers going on, a lot of seasoning going on.
And then plus they have pico de gallo on top of it.
Carrots is in here going on. Don't take it easy. Don't take it easy. The brisket's good.
The brisket is fire.
It gets stuck in your teeth. Just tell them to put some cheese in there.
You know, when you go in there, you could customize it to your order, but this is how it's advertised. So that's how Tita got it.
Customize this joint because there's a lot going on.
If you're not a big, busy person with your tacos.
But the brisket's good. I like the brisket. But I'm going to have to get, because it got so much stuff in here, because we always get it how it's advertised. I'm going to have to give this a 3 out of 5. Just too much going on here, but the brisket, I'm going to give it about 3.5, 4 out of 5. The brisket's on point. But just, you're not at a barbecue. But shout out to Cafe Rio for having something new on the menu with the brisket.
We're not a fan. Somebody else may be a fan.
It's alright.
I was just try it. If not,
go to your Cafe Rio, get it customized. Tell them what you think about it in the comment section. We back. It's Daniel.
It's Tita.
Peace.